Namaste children. I am Srimati Anupama Rao from Mangala Vidya Mandira. In the previous video we have learned parts of the body like ear, nose, mouth, eye, neck, hand, fingers, leg. And we also have learned their work, right? Yes, we see with our eyes. We hear the sound with our ears. And we smell with our nose. We work with our hand. We taste with our tongue. We hear with our ear. We walk with our leg. Now, let us sing a rhyme. Number 1, touch your tongue. Number 2, touch your shoe. Number 3, touch your knee. ನೀ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೊಣಕಾಲು, ಟಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ನಂಬರ್ 4, ಟಚ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೋರ್. ನಂಬರ್ 5, ಜಂಪ್ ಅಪ್ ಹೈ. Now let us sing one more rhyme. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. Children, we all can clap our hands. When we are happy, what do? We clap our hands. If you are happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you are happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, blink your eyes. Children, here you can see some of the rhyming words. Hand, sand. Head, bed. Hair, pear. Leg, egg. Eyes, ear, hair. Nose, toes. Tongue, sung. Finger, singer. Below the rhyming words you can see a picture. You have to color it. Children, here which face do you like? A happy face or a sad face? Draw the picture. Children, we all like a happy face, right? Yes. Happy face. Children, if you like a happy face, you have to draw in this box a happy face. And if you like a sad face, you can draw a sad face in this box. Okay? Children, here in this my corner, you have to paste your photograph. Happy or sad? Happy or sad? Children, now you have to solve the riddle. I am a part of your hand. I am 10 in number. Who am I? Can you guess? Yes, you are correct. Fingers. I am a part of your legs. I am 10 in number. Who am I? Children, can you tell me the answer? Yes, toes. I am on your head. I grow long as you cut me. Who am I? Hair. I am a part of your fingers. You cut me as I grow. Who am I? Nail. Children, here you have to join the letters and color the picture. Nouns. Nouns means naming words. ನಾಮಪದಗಳು. A noun is a word used as the name of person, place or thing. Here are the words to name the things. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೌನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ನಾಮಪದಗಳು. ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಅಥವಾ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳ ಅಥವಾ ಜಾಗದ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುವ ಪದಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾಮಪದಗಳು ಎನ್ನುತ್ತೇವೆ. So you can see some of the names of things. Bag. Bag is a noun. Bag is the name of the thing. Bag is the name of the thing. Ladder. Ladder is a noun. Ladder is the name of this thing. Children, have you seen ladder? Okay. The word ladder is a noun. Table. Table is a noun. Table is the name of this thing. Football. This word is a noun. This word is the name of this thing. Train. This word is the name of this thing. Butter. Butter is the name of this thing. Shirt. Shirt is the name of this thing. Oven. Oven is the name of this thing. So, in this slide you can see the words to name the things, the different things. These are all nouns, children, okay? Children, here you can see the animals and you can see the words below the picture of animals. Cat. Cat is the word. It is a noun. It is the name of this animal. Dog. Lion. Lion is the name of this animal. Horse is the name of this animal. Cow is the name of this animal. Camel is the name of this animal. Wolf is the name of this animal. Hen is the name of this animal. So cat, dog, lion, horse, cow, camel, wolf, hen. These are called as nouns. What do we call? Nouns. The names of animals are also called as nouns. ನಾಮಪದಗಳು. Hen. Hen is a noun. Chick. The word chick is a noun. Lion. The word lion is a noun. Cub. The word cub is a noun. Children, here you can see the words to name the persons. So these are also called as nouns. Boy. Boy is the name of this person. Postman. Postman is the name of this person. Postman is a noun. Boy is a noun. Grandfather. This word is the name of this person. Grandfather is a noun. The word boy, the word postman, the word grandfather are the nouns. Children, here is a homework. First one, write 10 body parts in your homework book. Second one, write 10 nouns in your homework book. So you have understood different body parts and you have also understood different nouns. The meaning of nouns. Thank you.